Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we discussed the basic definition of computer. Now, in this video, we discuss various characteristics of computer system. As we know, there are various features of computer system. I am going to discuss some of them which are very important. First one is speed. As the name suggests, computers can perform millions of instructions per second. It means that if I am going to give 10 tasks to the person, that will very difficult to perform within a minute or within an hour. But for computer, that can perform within a second. Okay. The next point is accuracy. Accuracy means correctness. Whatever the data given by the user to the computer and the operation you want to perform, computer gives a correct answer. But the condition is that data given to the user must be correct. That's why errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy, which is provided by the user. Next point, diligence. A computer is free from tiredness, which means if continuous supply of power given to the computer, it can perform one task to another task without taking a break. Next point is versatility. As the name suggests, it means the capacity to perform completely different type of work. For example, one student can perform or design a beautiful picture through paint. Some business person can design a PowerPoint presentation for the company through MS Office with the help of computer. Both are different type of work, but easily performed by the computer. Next point is storage. For the human being, it can be very difficult to memorize everything. But for computer, there are some area where we can store data, and whenever it is required, that can be accessed easily. Next point is no IQ. Computer is a dumb machine and it cannot do any work without instruction from the user. If there is a computer and I am not going to give any instruction, they are idle. It can only work when user is going to give instruction with the help of some applications or with the help of some program written in various programming languages. Okay. Next point is a very simple, that is health risk. as I told you that it is a device, it is an electronic device. If a person seated improperly in front of computer, that can be very injurious to him or her, like disorder of hands, wrist, elbows, eyes, necks and back. So very careful about that. Next point is impact on environment. The computer manufacturing processes and computer waste are polluting the environment. This is very simple point. It means that whatever the waste created by the computer can damage the environment. So whatever the waste material produced by the computer must be taken care of. That's why the concept of green computing arrives. That can be discussed later on. So I have discussed some features of computer. In this slide I have categorized into two parts. Some features are known as advantage of computer and some are known as disadvantage of computer. They are speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, storage are in the category of advantages of computer, while no IQ, health risk, impact on environment and many more are in the category of disadvantage. I hope now you can understand what are the various features of computer system. So in this video we learned various characteristics of computer. In the next video we will see various applications, or you can say that various uses of computer system in real world scenario. Thank you so much, students.